Brothers, today I'm with my friend to pick up the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra.
Look, Xiaomi is welcoming you.
Picked up the car and smashed the door.
Xiaomi is here. The overall process today will take about 1 to 2 hours.
I must say the current sedan environment is really much better than when we bought the Genesis edition. Look, wow, silver ones, green ones, yellow ones.
He bought a lot of yellow, huh? It's quite bright, but I think this green also looks pretty nice, really, guys. Green looks a bit better indoors. Outdoors, I think it doesn't look as good.
You have the silver one, forget it, you bought it, and all.
If someone else bought it, I definitely praise them. Really nice. You, really nice. They even gave you a photo frame for a picture.
Truly enjoying
Going
life,
with you
huh?
to pick up the
That
car,
head.
I can go back and have Xiaomi's meal. Haha, nice.
Hey, is it like me, right? Just like when you stand next to the car.
Go.
Really? Everyone judge me. Don't bother, right? A bit handsomer than Daju.
It shows a yellow ribbon. This is a bit, I think silver paired with these smoked tail lights looks
Game sound
cooler.
effect. But you didn't choose wind tunnel. Compete again. You need to choose wind tunnel consistently. Wind tunnel
This
has
rear
no car
one must be
restrictions
chosen.
now.
Then he chose a carbon cobalt, which I don't really like. Safety. Track safety.
Until old
Let me
age.
show you. If you become a distinguished Xiaomi rice cooker car owner, what will they give you when you pick up the car? First, there's a bouquet of flowers. And we also got a meal at
Then there's
noon.
a cup here.
A hat, a card key, but they didn't give a physical key, then gave a 599 package. Does the value of the Founders Edition rise again, right? Come, let me show you the central control of the speed sail car. It also has a spoiler inside the car, and there are stripes on the side. But here I think there's a problem, so I asked Mr.
If
Wade,
later we want to change the
what to
stickers.
do about this? Let me demonstrate the electric front trunk for everyone. We tap, tap, tap. Boo! Would you use the electric front trunk when you buy this car? A key point to share with everyone is that when you step on the accelerator, it provides safety protection. Look, it will tell you that the maximum speed is limited to 104, the maximum power performance is restricted, and booster mode is disabled. So, how do you cancel this safety protection? When the driving range reaches 300 kilometers and above, wow, I think this feature is done really well. I hope other car companies can follow suit. Come on, man, drive your Xiaomi CHU Silence with the beginner protection period. Oh, right, you can't drive
Oh,
yet.
I have the keys. What's this card? This is my client. Infatuated. Hey, how much are you charging to handle this now?
How did you modify this Fast and Furious 7? It's been modified to be like an Ultra.
Yes, haha, they're
Oh,
cousins.
and it's even
ha, ha, ha.
faster than that. Hey, Fast and Furious 7.